guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, G-doesit. My name is givendos, and we are back with another video. First and foremost, guys, I know I said I was back and then I sort of went AWOL, but yeah, a lot has just been happening. But I am very active on my other social media platforms. Instagram, you can check me out on Twitter, you can check me out on TikTok, so I'm around. So if you guys want to engage for more real live content, you can check me out on those platforms. I'll also leave the links to those social media platforms on the description box below. But we are back with a very interesting video today, something that is out of my comfort zone to say, because I'm going to be working with cement, and it's the first project I've done working with cement, so it's going to be interesting. So without wasting any more I have not been around for so long, I don't even know my own sign off. Without wasting any more of your time, let's get right into the video. Okay, so all you're going to need firstly is water, because we need to inhale, exhale, and stay hydrated. The sun is just amazing today. But anyway, guys, you're gonna need a bucket, cement, towel, small box, gloves, and scissors. So you're going to mix your cement. This is definitely messier than I had anticipated. Okay, so after so much mixing, you're going to grab your towel and we're going to go in and we're going to dip this in. Quickly wash your towel in this cement water. And then here's our newly transformed towel. I'm going to leave down here. And then for step number 4, you are going to cut your box, outlining the base structure. And then for step number 5, we are going to place the cloth on the base structure. So I'm going to be using Granny Bee's old-fashioned paint. This is not a sponsored video. I saw the brand, I saw other DIY content creators use this brand, so I thought let me also give it a try. So yeah. Okay, so I couldn't find a small container to put the paint in, so I'm just going to put it in here. I hope this will be enough paint, to be honest. If it's not, I'll have to make a plan. Ooh. This looks like a milkshake of some sort. Let me see, let's start this here. so I thought why not just mix them. Hopefully this will cover most of it, because I am being stingy. I am being very stingy with the paint, so if you've got enough paint, please go crazy, but as for me, I don't have the luxury to do that right now. Thank you for watching up until this far into the video. Thank you to all the subscribers who have been with me throughout this journey, and thank you to all the new subscribers. And if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the DIY family. And till next time, guys, G-doesit signing out.